I thought you were going to start.
I thought you were.
Yeah, Forethought really gives you the opportunity to hit the ground running and learn really quickly. So after the first 6 months working, still being a nervous grad, they put me in front of one of our largest telecommunication clients, and I started off being really scared and nervous, but it really, over that exposure, it really gave me the confidence.
We've got a lot of very good calibre colleagues, a lot of people who have really kind of looked after me coming in here and teaching me a lot of things along the way. When people kind of give you their time, you kind of want to give time to the next person kind of coming along as well. Yes.
Yeah, there's a real a culture that's fostered here is really about sharing and helping each other succeed. Yeah, moving through that graduate and that consulting pathway is really quite defined and quite inspiring to see those that have really progressed in that division and now being principals and thought leaders in our industry.
I think, one of the key things about working here is the relationships that you form with your colleagues. So getting really close to people. Georgia and myself, as she mentioned, we started off on the same day. So we met in that room just over there, February 13th, 2017, so I haven't forgotten. And then we have an anniversary every year, so our next one's coming up. But basically the 9 of us started off as 2017 grads, and we're a really close-knit bunch. Even though we work in separate teams, we'll always catch up. We go for coffees every week. We're always keen to know what's going on with our work lives and our personal lives, and that's the best support network that we could have ever asked for, and it's total organic and it's beautiful.
Yeah, I think it's something I don't know if it happens at every workplace, but it's a really nice addition to coming to work, and happy to see the people that you work with every day, and I guess it extends also from outside our grad group to the analysts, even our managers we get along quite well with. Sometimes maybe they probably wish we were less friends with them. But yeah, I think it's a really nice addition to the workplace.
Yeah, a lot of interesting people to get to know, and a lot of friendships can be formed over a lot of coffee.